Alright, we are going to work on dividing with two-digit dividends. So I have 73 divided by 5. The first thing that I need to do is build the house of division, which looks like that. And on the inside, I put the dividend, 73. And on the outside, I put the divisor, 5. So first number goes in, second number goes out. So this is read 73 divided by 5. This is also read 73 divided by 5. Inside of the house of division, we have our division family. We have Dad, Mom, Sister, Brother, and Rover. Each of them has a different job. Dad divides. Mom multiplies. Sister subtracts. Brother brings down. And Rover repeats. So, they always go in the same order. Dad starts out first, and Dad comes out, climbs up on the roof, and he always checks this number here first. He checks to see if 5 can go into 7. Now, a 5-foot person can walk through a 7-foot door, so 5 does go into 7. So we put a little caret there, because that's where Dad's going to put his work. And 5 goes into 7 one time. We want to get as close to 7 as we can without going over it when we multiply this number by that number. So Dad's work is done. He says 5 goes into 7 one time. After Dad goes, then Mom goes. Mom always picks up right where Dad left off. Dad left off on the top of the house, so Mom picks up right there, and she multiplies. She multiplies what Dad put on the house by the number on the outside of the house. 1 times 5 is 5. And Mom puts her work right there inside the house under what Dad already worked on. Now Sister's up. Sister subtracts. Sister picks up right where Mom left off. Mom put the 5 there, so Sister's going to subtract the 7 that Dad worked on minus the 5 that Mom worked on. 7 minus 5 is 2. Sister's job is done. Now Brother brings down. Brother does a couple different things when he brings down. He X's out the number, dotted line, straight down, and he welds that 3 right onto the 2. So it's no longer a 3, it's no longer a 2, it is now a 23. So Brother brings down. Now Brother and Rover always work together. They're best friends. Whenever Brother does something, Rover's always right there. After Brother does his job, Rover barks. Roof! Rover barks, and that lets the whole family know that we need to repeat. So we come back, and now it's Dad's job again. So Dad's back up on the roof again, and now he's looking to see how many times 5 goes into 23, right above there. So Dad checks to see how many times 5 goes into 23, and 5 goes into 23 4 times. Dad puts his work right up there, so Dad's job is done. Now it's Mom's turn. Mom multiplies. Mom always multiplies what Dad puts on the roof. Dad put a 4 on the roof, so Mom's going to multiply that 4 by the 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Now always remember, this number here, we want to get as close to that number as we possibly can or land on it, but we never want to go over. We never want to get it higher. So Mom multiplied 4 times 5 is 20. Put that answer inside the house, and Mom's job is done. Now Sister's up. Sister always subtracts what Mom just did. Sister always subtracts what Mom just worked on. So 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now at this point, when there's nothing to bring down, there's no longer anything else to bring down, I am done. And I make the 3 the remainder. So when Brother doesn't do his job, that shows that this 3 comes up there and is our remainder. So when I divide 73 into 5 equal groups, Those 5 groups are each going to have 14 in it. And there's going to be 3 things left over. That's where our remainder 3 comes into play. 3 things remaining, 3 things left over.